Hello kids, welcome back to channel to learn and draw capital letters, alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 10. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Green color, yellow color, blue color, black color, red color and yellow orange color. So kids, now you draw alphabets and first you draw A. A for apple. B for ball.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
C for
H, I,
cat.
J, K, L, M, N, O, P,
T
Q,
for
R,
dog.
S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and
E for
Z.
elephant.
Now I know my
F for
ABCs.
fish.
Next time won't
G
you
for
sing
God.
with me?
H for helicopter. I for ice cream. It's an I draw J and use yellow color. J for joker. K for king.
A, B, C,
L
D,
for
E,
lion.
F, G, H, I, J,
M for
K,
moon.
L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V,
N for nose.
W, X, Y, and
O
Z.
for orange.
Now I know my ABCs. Next
P
time
for
won't
parrot.
you sing with me?
Q for queen. It's now you draw R.
A, B,
And
C,
use
D, E, F, G,
blue color.
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q,
R
R,
for
S, T, U, V,
S for
W,
sun.
X, Y, and Z. Now
T
I
for
know
teacher.
my ABCs.
U for
Next time
umbrella.
won't you sing with me?
V for van. W for wheel. X for telephone. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. Kids, now you draw numbers and first you draw 1.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know
Six.
my ABCs. Next time won't you sing
Seven.
with me?
8.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P.
And 10. Black color, purple color, green color, light green color, green color, yellow color, light green color, brown color, red color, blue color, orange color, and sky blue color. So kids, now you draw A.
Y and Z. Now I know my ABCs.
A for apple.
Next time won't you sing with me?
B for ball. C for cat.
A, B, C, D,
D
E,
for
F,
dog.
G, H, I, J, K,
E for
L, M, N, O,
elephant.
P, Q, R,
F
S,
for fish.
T, U, V, W,
G for
X,
goat.
Y,
So
and
now you
Z.
draw H.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't
H for
you sing
helicopter.
with me?
I for ice cream. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose. Okay, so now you draw O. O for orange. P for parrot.
A, B, C, D,
Q for
E, F, G, H, I, J, K,
R for
L, M, N, O,
rose.
P, Q, R,
S for sun.
T, U, V,
T for teacher.
W, X,
It's now you
Y,
draw
and
U.
Z. Now I know my
U for
ABCs.
umbrella.
Next time won't
V for
you
van.
sing with me?
W for wheel. X for telephone.
A,
Y
B,
for
C,
yo-yo.
D, E, F,
And
G,
Z for green color, yellow color, blue color, black color, yellow ochre color, and red color. So kids, now you draw one and use green color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Kids, now you draw 11. The numbers of 11. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Kids, now you draw 19. The numbers of 19. 19, 20, 21, 22, 24, 25. It's now you draw 26. 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.